Apple is purging its App Store of tainted software. I'm Bridget Carey. This is your CNET Update. Many popular trusted apps in Apple's App Store have been found to be infected with malware, and Apple says it's pulling these problematic programs from the iPhone and iPad app stores. The infected apps were developed in China and include WeChat. It's a very popular messaging app in Asian Pacific countries. Also infected is the Chinese version of Angry Birds 2, as well as apps for banking, music streaming, a ride-sharing service, stock trading, even one from a mobile carrier. The malware hides inside of apps, spying on your personal details, and it can even send pop-up alerts to trick you into giving up your password. Some security experts think as many as 300 apps could have the malware. So how did it happen? They were infected before they even got into the App Store in the coding process. You see, when you build an iPhone app, you need to download developer software from Apple. It's called Xcode, and for some, that software can take a long time to download. But there was another version of the software floating around on forums that promised to be a faster download for developers in China. And that version of Xcode was altered and infected, and it tainted every app born from it. In a statement, Apple said it is protecting consumers by removing apps created with the counterfeit software. This was first discovered and reported by the security firm Palo Alto Networks, and it's being called the first hack of its kind. It's assumed that Apple's apps are safe because Apple reviews the code before apps go into the store, but Apple didn't catch this malicious code. As Apple's popularity grows, hackers will target it more. App makers are now re-uploading fixed versions of their apps, so if you have WeChat, delete the app and re-download the new version. Speaking of Apple being a target for hackers, there's now a $1 million bounty for anyone that can find a way to remotely break into an iPhone or iPad running the new iOS 9 software. As first reported by Wired, a company called Zero Diem is paying the bounty, and if there are multiple hacks discovered, the firm will pay multiple rewards. To get the reward, you can't report the bug to Apple. They don't want it fixed. The company profits off selling the secrets to other hackers or government agencies to use the hack against us. It's nasty. Meanwhile, amid all the drama around problem apps, Apple released a software update to the Apple Watch. It's called watchOS 2. It was supposed to go live last week on Wednesday, but it was delayed due to a bug found in the testing process. The big feature in the update is that now apps can run directly on the watch and tap into data collected from the watch sensors, and that makes watch apps more useful. That's it for this Tech News Update. You can head to CNET.com for more details on the new watchOS 2. From our studios in New York, I'm Bridget Carey.